Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Growth English channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe, give us a like, and stay with us to improve your English every single day.
And I'm David, your co-host. We're happy you're here. Remember, the more you watch, listen, and repeat with us, the faster your English grows. So please subscribe and like this video. It really helps us.
Today's lesson is a warm and positive one. We're talking about happy moments, how to share them, how to describe them, and how to express happiness in English.
Yes, and honestly, we all need more happy moments in life. Big ones, small ones, silly ones, they all count.
Before we teach anything, let's start with a simple question. David, what's one happy moment you had this week?
Let me think. Actually, yesterday morning, I had a very nice moment. I woke up early, made breakfast, and the sunlight was coming into the kitchen. It just felt peaceful and good.
A quiet morning. That's a beautiful, happy moment. What did you eat?
Toast, eggs, and coffee. And the coffee was perfect today. Not bitter, not too strong. Just perfect.
A perfect cup of coffee is magical. It can change your whole day.
Exactly. What about you? What made you happy this week?
I had a call with my niece. She's 3 years old, and she showed me her drawing of a cat, but the cat looked more like a potato with ears. I laughed so much.
Laughing. That's cute. Kids make the best moments.
So, viewers, how can you describe your happy moments in English? Here are some useful sentence starters. I felt happy when. It made me smile because. A happy moment for me was. I was proud of. It was a dream come true.
Yes, and these phrases are natural and easy. Let's practice slowly together. Repeat. I felt happy when.
Next, it made me smile.
And I was so proud.
Last one, it was a dream come true.
Nice! You sound great already.
Let me share a longer happy moment. One of my happiest memories was from last year. I visited the beach with 2 close friends. We didn't plan anything big. We just wanted to relax. When we arrived, the weather was perfect. The sky was bright blue, the water was calm, and the air smelled fresh and salty. We sat on the sand, talked, and listened to music. Later, we walked along the shore, and the waves touched our feet. I remember thinking, this is simple, but it's perfect.
That sounds peaceful. What part made you the happiest?
The conversation. We talked honestly about life, dreams, and worries. I felt connected and supported. So the happy moment wasn't the place, it was the people.
Okay, my turn. One of my happiest moments was when I finally completed a marathon. I trained for months. It was very hard. On the day of the race, I ran slowly but steadily. When I reached the finish line, I felt 2 things: exhausted and incredibly proud. My legs hurt, my feet hurt, even my arms hurt. But I was smiling like crazy.
That's amazing. That's definitely a big happy moment. A real achievement.
Yes, and I remember thinking, this is a dream come true. I never believed I could run that far.
Let's teach some vocabulary related to happy moments. 1. Proud. Feeling good about something you or someone else did. Example: I was proud of finishing the marathon. 2. Relieved. Happy because something difficult is over. Example: I was relieved after the exam. 3. Grateful. Feeling thankful. Example: I felt grateful for the beautiful day at the beach. 4. Joyful. A strong feeling of happiness. Example: her smile made me feel joyful.
Great words, and they all help you describe emotions more deeply.
Jannie, what small happy moments make you smile every time?
Oh, easy. Hearing my favorite song, eating warm bread, seeing the sky turn orange at sunset, getting a message from someone I love. What about you?
For me, clean, fresh sheets on my bed, finishing all my work early, when someone unexpectedly compliments me, when the bus arrives exactly when I reach the stop, that is a miracle.
Yes! That is a very happy moment indeed. Now let's talk about happiness we feel because of others. For example, I'm happy for you. Congratulations! That's wonderful news!
Let me give you an example. Last month, my cousin graduated from university. When he told me, I said, "Congratulations! I'm so proud of you." We went out for dinner to celebrate.
That's lovely. Celebrating others is just as important.
Okay, viewers, let's play a longer version of our happy moment game. David, I'll say a word, and you tell me the first happy memory that comes to mind. Ready?
Let's do it.
Word 1. Winter.
Winter makes me think of drinking hot chocolate with my family while watching movies. The house feels warm and cozy.
A cozy winter memory. I like it. Word 2. Family.
Family. I remember a barbecue we had in the backyard. Everyone was laughing, children running, music playing. It felt perfect.
Beautiful. My turn next.
Your word is travel.
I think about visiting a small village in the mountains. The air was cold, people were friendly, and the food was delicious. I felt peaceful the whole time.
Next word. Birthday.
My happiest birthday was when my friends surprised me with a cake shaped like a book because I love reading. I almost cried.
That's adorable. Okay, last one for you. Rain.
Rain makes me think of sitting near the window with tea and listening to the raindrops. It's calm and so comforting.
You know, sometimes happy moments aren't exciting or loud. Sometimes they are quiet and simple.
Yes, happiness can be finishing a good book, talking to someone who listens, taking a walk, cooking your favorite meal, waking up rested, laughing at a silly joke, hearing good news, learning a new word. And for learners, understanding an English lesson is also a happy moment.
Absolutely. Viewers, when you understand us today, that is your happy moment, and we are proud of you.
Repeat after us. I felt happy when I visited my family.
It made me smile.
I was so proud of myself.
It was a dream come true.
Congratulations!
I'm happy for you.
We hope today's lesson helped you think about your own happy moments.
Yes, and we would love to read them. Please write in the comments, a happy moment for me was...
Sharing happiness makes it grow.
And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and keep practicing with us.
See you next time on the Growth English channel.